put 2 drops of this under your pillow and sleep fast and deeply. Hey guys, I know it's been tough lately and today's world just never sleeps. With all of our technology and digital social lives, it's hard to get a good night's sleep. There are many studies suggesting the relationship between bright screens and sleep pattern disruption. But like many problems, there's always something that we can do about it, and one of the things that can help is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy has been observed to have positive effects on one's sleep. When you fill the room with calming scents, you'll be rewarded with a good night's sleep that's deep and rejuvenating. And having good sleep hygiene is another foundation for good health, along with healthy eating and exercise. Not getting enough good quality sleep can affect your immune system, which can be very concerning. So today we'll be looking into the benefits of aromatherapy using lavender oil. Studies suggest that lavender oil, specifically its scent, has a tremendous effect on the nervous system, particularly its calming effect. These studies show that people who were exposed to the scent of lavender oil saw a significant lowering of blood pressure as well as heart rate. It also reduces respiratory rate, allowing one to breathe at a slower, more relaxed pace. It has been observed that stress manifests physically and is measured by stress hormones. The thing with aromatherapy, particularly with lavender, is that it promotes the release of the so-called stress hormones. As one inhales the lavender scent, the olfactory nerves, or the nerves in the nose that picks up scents, detects it and sends signals into the brain. These produce a feeling of relaxation in the body. This effect has also been demonstrated to be helpful with managing anxiety and depression, which are also major factors to sleep quality. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click the bell icon for notifications every time we upload a video. With that being said, there are many ways you can use lavender essential oil. One example is to put a few drops into a diffuser before going to bed. Another quicker and easier method is to put 2 drops of lavender essential oil on a handkerchief or a clean piece of cloth or facial tissue. Then put the cloth or tissue under your pillowcase so the scent diffuses as you sleep. The drops of oil dry fast, so you don't have to worry about stains. An even simpler way is to rub a couple of drops into your skin. The scent will linger all around you and it will keep you calm and relaxed throughout the evening. This calmness will make you sleep deeply, which will leave you feeling refreshed and in a good mood in the morning. All it takes is to give it a try. Home remedies can be easy. There is one book that has a lot of these interesting techniques that are inexpensive, practical, and simple. This is called The Lost Book of Remedies. Nowadays, saving money by reducing doctor visits can be the wisest financial decision one can make. The book contains recipes as well as instructions you can follow to get the best out of essential oils. It has many handy health tips that worked on our grandparents in their time. If you'd like to learn more about home remedies, including the use of aromatic oils for relaxation, use the link in the description to learn more about The Lost Book of Remedies. That's it for today's video. Share this to your family and friends so more people can get better sleep. And if you've tried aromatherapy before, share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications of new videos coming soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day.